First things first. Soju. Lychee flavor.
Oh, here we go.
Gongwei.
Are you sure that's perfect?
Gongwei.
What is it? Hungry.
I'm uber nervous about this one.
Alright. Make sure.
Fuck it, let's do it.
Tastes like.
What the hell? That's something. Oh! Rip it off like a band-aid, girl. This fucking serious. Bro. Aki? Bro, where's the English?
It's kambudashi.
Okay. Kambudashi. Jajang. The noodles. This is way more than 5, but okay, we're going ahead. Blackberry fruit spread. My fucking puffy dog. Just sauce. I'm pissed. Pak choy and tofu. Somebody start the clock.
1 minute.
What is in there? You did it. Yay. Okay. I'm going to obviously make a aki and kombudashi sauce. And then I'm going to do a blackberry barbecue sauce with the fried tofu. Oh, everything is going to taste together. Is funny.
2 minutes and 20 seconds, yeah?
Left. I'm going to puree the aki. You may be a better fit. Yeah, I'm doing noodles.
In future, you have to have a countdown. My job. Move. What you doing?
This is supposed to be vegan. It's the meat.
Bust me out of TikTok now.
So I need to learn one.
I don't know it.
That's what I'm saying. We see how much. Oh my god. Good space.
Do I drink? Maybe plug it in.
It's like I can't solve this. Right now, it's time to go fast and fine.
Say a prayer while you wash the baby box.
A little prayer for you. Ingredient. No. I think it is. See them performing this song.
You calling me a dog?
Tofu shake and bake.
Oh, what is going on with all of them flying in here? I don't have cornstarch. It's not getting crispy. Why does he keep doing this? The 10-minute mark.
Good. That's how I eat my McDonald's fries when it's too hot.
5 minutes left.
I don't know if I make.
Yes.
Mommy.
My darling.
1 minute.
Do not like how this kitchen set up. 3 seconds. That's all I don't like you. 10, 9, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up.
Wait, you forgot the bok choy. You've been chopped.
They don't always get chopped when they forget something. Beat it against yourself, bro. And a tofu on the floor. Man down.
So what are you doing right now?
I'm just plating of what I wanted it to look like.
Okay.
Of course. Oh. Me mama clock.
Language.
My mother's claw. Language went out of this like nonsense.
You need to fry more?
It looks great. Alright. Take a bite of.
Yes.
Okay. Please. Okay. I really like the sauce. And the noodles. It was creamy. And that's not usually what you can get in the vegan space.
And this dish is vegan.
Well, the tofu is a little soggy, but you know. It's not bad. No.
But now you need to taste a little everything together in one bite.
I might need to just.
I don't know if that was better or worse. Can I just drop on the ground now?
Together, it's really good.
Ah!
It's actually really good.
Okay, so that's how it's obviously meant to be.
Right.
Did you just say that because they were?
No.
Oh,
I don't think she'd lie.
which is what I like.
Gordon Ramsay in the house.
Is that my drink? Should I?
Where's mine? Can I get?
Okay, there you go.
Grazie.
That was stressful. I cannot judge it separately because you gave me all those ingredients to do one dish.
Maybe.
Dun, 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 dun. We hide our faces in Korea. Mom, there's a cornstarch.
My word.
Delightful.
What?
What?
First of all, I've never heard
Let me try.
of the way you did those noodles before ever. Aki.
Which is only right, but I don't have a
I don't like tofu, but that's tofu. Oof.
Wow, that is a
Cheers.
bolt. We'll be back in 5 minutes. It wasn't good.
I mean,
That's yummy.
I get the ugly plate.
I feel like that was a rush, okay?
I'm gonna take a baby bite.
That's just my baby dog.
Yeah.
I
That's
love
clearly how I should have done it.
tofu.
The verdict?
It works.
I lost
I don't know
coffee.
how.
I did 2 packets
I
in
tasted
the sack.
coffee.
You do?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, no, I didn't taste it.
I lost
No,
it.
that's
I lost it. I didn't taste it.
No, I
I
taste
don't
it.
taste.
But it was quite fine without
What
it.
Taste
is
everything.
the current thing
Blackberry?
you taste?
That's why I
Coffee.
added it. Because I couldn't taste it either. But look how much of the jar I put in there.
Good job, subscribe.